pretty sure I'm Italian. Today I'm going to make Bucatini All Amatriciana. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel. I don't say that before, but I'm not getting anybody to look at it, and I would really appreciate it. It makes me want to keep making these awkward videos. Alright, first thing, heat up a pan. I have guanciale, however the hell you say it. Pork jowls. You got to get them in an Italian market. You can't just get them anywhere. I'm going to put those in the hot pan. Put that, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. A little bit of red pepper flakes in there with it. And then cook that, let it cook for a bit until they're kind of crispy. And all right, guanciale has been cooking for a bit. It's pretty crispy pieces. I'm going to put a 1/3 cup of white cooking wine in there. And I'm going to let that go and just cook that all together until the wine basically pretty much boils down almost completely. So in just a couple minutes. And when I'm doing that, I'm going to scrape the bottom, get the chunks, the brown chunks from the meat off. Alright, the wine's cooked down for a few minutes. It's pretty much all gone. I'm going to add a can of crushed tomatoes, 28-ounce can. And then I'm going to add salt and pepper. And some dry basil leaves, and only because I don't have fresh, so. Okay, mix that all up. And then I'm gonna let that simmer for a little while. While that is simmering, boil water for the bucatini. And I'm gonna cook the bucatini just like a package. Not homemade, because I can't make bucatini homemade. Alright, pasta's cooked. The sauce has been going for a bit. I'm going to take the pasta from the water and just put it right into the sauce. Toss that around. Pasta water like usual. Amelia. And then it's got an ounce and a half of pecorino cheese in there. And mix it all up. And there you have it.